Red chutney for momo. Ingredients required are 2 tomatoes quartered, 8 red chilies soaked overnight or in hot water for about 2 to 3 hours, salt and cumin as per your taste, and about 8 to 10 medium sized garlic and about 2 1-inch pieces of ginger. So let's start preparing it. So in a mixer jar we are going to add the red chilies. These are 8 red chilies. So this is a half recipe if you are making only one chutney, and if you are preparing 2 chutneys, so double the recipe. And this is the way of the red chilies. Soak them for overnight in medium water and in hot water for about 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 hours. And these are the red chilies they were before. So let's start preparing the chutney again. Add the tomatoes. These are 2 medium sized tomatoes quartered. It's basically very easy. Add all the ingredients and just grind them up. So after adding all the ingredients, let it grind. The salt according to your taste, and pulse it twice and then grind it. So let's check the chutney and scrape the sides. So it's little bit thick. We'll add some water, scrape the sides and grind them into a smooth paste. Into a smooth paste we added about 1 tablespoon of water. So you can taste it right now as I have tasted. It seems little bit less salt, so I'm going to add some more salt. It's better to taste from the grinder itself, because after you taste it will be a little harder to mix the salt. So we'll mix the salt once again and then serve it.